Welcome to another stock market update. Today is May 23rd, 2019. The market had another down day here. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the SPY, the Q, the IWM, and then look at a couple of the EV manufacturers such as Tesla and NIO. So let's take a look at the SPY here. SPY continue to come down, and we're basically looking for this 277.64. Although it did get a little bit of a bounce toward the end of the session, but we're still basically to see if it could break this trend line and move back about this 289 before we change a little bit of an outlook toward the maybe on the positive side. But right now, my bias is still remain to be down, and essentially you're looking at this 277.64. And then looking at the Q, you can see the Q finally broke this trend line here, this channel trend line. And right now it seems like it's making its move down to this 175, and that's basically what I'm still monitoring for a move down to this potential support, even though it did get a little bit of a bounce toward the end. But still, we have to contend with this trend line. Even though if you get back above this trend line, you still need to get back above this pivot high before the we could say that the trend might have changed from a downtrend, at least in the short term, to a uptrend, or resume its long-term uptrend here. So basically, I'm still looking at this 175.79 area for potential support. And today we're going to take a look at the Russell 2000 ETF IWM. You can see that basically it's been trading within this range here. Right, this range, and right now it came down to this 149 support here, and we're going to see would it be able to get a bounce back up to this 159.68, the upper bound of this range, or will it break down and break below the 149 and come down to this 145. So that will be something to keep an eye on in the coming day. Before I continue, I'd like to ask you to click the thumbs up if you like the contents in this video. If you are not a subscriber of my YouTube channel, click the subscribe and the notification icon to avoid missing any future video. Now let's go and take a look at Tesla. Here on the Tesla Daily Chart, we see that made a new 52-week low and got above this, still maintained above this 178 during the regular trading hour. And right now it did finish up a little bit, up actually 2.76, so slightly above 1.4%. And it's been down 6 consecutive days, so this is the first up day for Tesla. And right now, if we go and take a look at the hourly chart, actually on the hourly chart, it actually came down to this support zone here. Around this 178 area during the overnight session. So basically still looking for this thing to see could it come up to this 216. We could look at this as a little bit of a short-term trend line, but there's also this intermediate trend line. So even though if it come up, it still have to break this trend line, get above this 216, and then see would it be able to bounce back up. If I see this thing come up, then I will be looking to see what that price action going to be. Is it going to be playing it back down to this 178? Or if it come down to this 178, then I will be looking to see would it be able to get a bounce and bounce back up to the 216. And taking a look at NIO, you see NIO made a new low here. Ever since it broke the 443, it just continuously come down. And right now, basically, you need to see would it be able to come back up to this 443 area. Otherwise, then it might see a lower level. And also, be reminded on Tuesday before the market reopen, NIO will report their earning. Now, Monday is Memorial Day, so the market will be closed in the U.S. And if we go and take a look at the hourly chart on NIO, you can see that. Right here, when it broke, come back and back test the 443 and fail, and it just came down. So right now, we basically need to see would it be able to come back up above this potential resistance somewhere around the 410 and then see would it be able to work itself up to the 443. I haven't run the number on what the market is projecting the earning move yet, so I'll probably do that on this week in this weekend's video and post that up to just let everybody kind of have some idea what to expect when Tuesday morning come. All right, so have a great evening and thank you for watching.